I'm gonna take you guys back in my keto re-roll videos. This pancake was amazing. I made it back in February of 2023. And if you missed it, you missed a delicious pancake. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna be making pancakes. And these are not your traditional pancakes. You'll be able to eat these pancakes with no syrup. Yep, no syrup. They're that good. So with that, let's go ahead and mix this up. All right, so the first thing we're gonna need is egg whites. Whether you get them from the carton or the egg carton, we're gonna need 4 egg whites for this recipe. Like that. Next, we'll add 2/3 cups almond flour, followed by 2 tablespoons allulose or erythritol if that's your choice. And last but not least, we're not going to use traditional vanilla. I have found that amaretto is delicious in your pancakes. And not only is this great for pancakes, you can save so much money on your coffee flavor. You mix this with this, and you have virtually a 0 carb coffee flavoring. We're going to put in 15 drops, which is close to the equivalent of 1/4 teaspoon of this. We're going to go ahead and get this mixed up. You want to mix it on a medium-low. You definitely don't want to overmix it. You want that aeration in there so that you get that fluff of a traditional pancake. We're going to be using parchment paper for this, but guys, I have stopped using this style parchment paper. I don't use it anymore. I like to use this. The reason I use this style parchment paper now is because it's so much more versatile. It's actually large sheets so that any of the pans that I'm going to use, it works fine on. This fits any baking sheet you have. Since this is a combination griddle, I'm only going to use half of this. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half and I'll be right back. You want to coat this paper with some butter. Once you've got it coated with butter, you're going to go ahead and add 3 tablespoons to the center. Next, you'll take and close this up. Take your spatula and lightly and evenly rotate it around till you have the thickness pancake that you want. Now we're going to go ahead and get this on the griddle. After about 1.5 minutes, flip this. And now that you flipped it, you're going to remove this paper from the actual pancake. We're going to reuse this parchment paper, so don't throw it out. You can use it for your whole batch. Let this sit on the parchment paper for roughly 1 minute to 1.5 minutes, just like we did the other side. Then we'll go ahead and get this one flipped over. Alright guys, so there you have it. These things are better than any pancake you're gonna buy at the store. Thanks so much for watching this video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.